in general, I don't like tricks unless you understand why the trick works. So, because I'm a mathematician, I'm going to show you why the trick works. So here we have the real algebra, okay? So we spent the last two classes looking at properties of equality and using these properties of equality to solve for a variable. So in general, whenever you see that you have fractions, you want to think about, okay, I'm probably needing to use the multiplication property of equality if the variable's in the denominator, or maybe the division property of equality. So I'm going to start with multiplying both sides by n. Okay, looking on the right side, because I'm dividing by n and the inverse operation is multiplying by n, that means that's going to reduce to 1. So I have 1 times 10, which is just 10. On the left side, I have n times 2 over 36. Essentially, that just means 2n over 36. Okay. Now I'm going to continue to clear the fraction on the left side. I can either multiply by the reciprocal. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to multiply both sides by 36 because I'm taking the inverse operation of division by 36 using multiplication of 36. So then on the left side, the 36 divided by 36 reduces to 1, and I had 2n equals 360. So you see here, this and this is where we get the cross multiply effect. It's basically allowing you to take the, use the inverse operation at 2 of them at one time, right? You're undoing the division of n and you're undoing the division of 36 at one time. That's where you got the cross multiply. And then once we cross multiplied, we were left with 2n equals 360. So then we divide both sides by 2, and that left us with n equaled 180. Okay. Now, if you hate what I just showed you, no worries, but I still wanted to show you. You can use cross multiplying all the time though.